So in this video I'll be showing you that how you can get this template and use it for yourself. Go to the link which I have provided you over the description, that's our website, and go to Indian exams and go to UPSC Digital Planner Notion template, click on that and buy it. After buying it, you will be getting a link and which will redirect you to here. Here what you have to do, as if you are having a pre-made Notion account, or if not, then it will be redirected you to get Notion for free. If you are having the free account, means if you are having a Notion account, click on duplicate. And now it will give you option where you would like to set it out. So I'll be setting it over the Abhishek Kumar's Notion template, Notion workspace, add to private. Now you can check that it is adding. Now you can check that it is here. Click, go there. Your civil services preparation tracker is here now. You can use it as you want.